The 2026 Hyundai Palisade Hybrid is a bold statement in the world of luxury SUVs, combining the grandeur of a full-size family vehicle with the efficiency of a hybrid powertrain. From the very first glance, the Palisade exudes sophistication with its classy blue pearl exterior, a color that perfectly balances vibrancy with elegance. The front fascia is dominated by Hyundai's signature cascading grille, framed by sharp LED headlights that give it a commanding presence on the road. The sculpted hood and muscular wheel arches not only contribute to its imposing stance, but also hint at the performance waiting under the surface. At roughly 198 inches in length and with a wide track, the Palisade Hybrid manages to feel substantial without being bulky, a rare feat in the full-size SUV segment. Sliding into the cabin, the level of refinement becomes immediately apparent. The interior has been carefully crafted with premium materials and thoughtful details. The calligraphy trim, which I had the chance to experience, features Nappa leather seats in a sophisticated two-tone scheme that pairs beautifully with subtle metallic accents on the dashboard and doors. The dashboard is dominated by a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system, seamlessly integrated with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Hyundai's updated navigation interface. Below it, the center console is intelligently designed with easy-to-access controls, a wireless charging pad, and storage that is both functional and stylish. Ambient lighting subtly illuminates the cabin, giving it a warm and inviting glow during evening drives, and the panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light during the day, enhancing the feeling of spaciousness. The Palisade Hybrid doesn't just impress visually, it delivers an experience that feels thoughtfully engineered. Sitting behind the wheel, the driving position is commanding yet comfortable. With adjustable lumbar support and a heated steering wheel that wraps your hands in warmth during colder mornings. The hybrid powertrain pairs a 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine with an efficient electric motor, producing a combined 320 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. This setup allows the Palisade to accelerate smoothly, with the electric motor providing immediate torque at lower speeds, ideal for city driving and merging onto highways. What's particularly impressive is the seamless transition between electric and gasoline power. Hyundai has refined the hybrid system so well that you barely notice when it switches modes. And the SUV feels incredibly responsive, even when fully loaded with passengers or cargo. Fuel efficiency is another area where the Palisade Hybrid shines. With an estimated 27 miles per gallon combined, it provides a significant improvement over the standard gasoline model, making it a practical choice for families who log long daily commutes or weekend adventures. The regenerative braking system adds to the efficiency, and while some hybrids can feel abrupt during energy recovery, the Palisade system is smooth and intuitive. Beyond the powertrain, the Palisade Hybrid offers an array of driving aids and safety features. Hyundai's SmartSense suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking. The integration of these systems feels natural, providing confidence without being intrusive. The 360-degree surround view camera is particularly helpful in tight parking spaces, offering a clear, distortion-free view that makes maneuvering this large SUV much easier. When it comes to cargo and seating, the Palisade Hybrid excels. The three-row seating configuration comfortably accommodates 7 passengers, with ample legroom even in the third row. Both the second and third rows fold flat with minimal effort, providing a generous cargo area that can handle luggage, sports equipment, or even bulky furniture for a weekend move. Every surface inside the cabin has been designed for usability and durability. From the soft touch materials on the doors to the water-resistant floor mats in the rear, ensuring that the Palisade remains both luxurious and practical. Technology inside the Palisade is not limited to infotainment and driving aids. The SUV comes with multiple USB-C ports throughout the cabin, wireless device charging, a high-quality Bose audio system in the calligraphy trim, and even a rear seat entertainment system option. For families, this combination of comfort, connectivity, and convenience makes long road trips far more enjoyable. Even minor details, like the illuminated door sills and the heads-up display projecting essential information on the windshield, contribute to a premium, thoughtful experience. The exterior features go beyond looks as well. Hyundai has incorporated active aerodynamics with a subtly designed front grille that improves airflow, while the LED lights offer better illumination and visibility at night. Alloy wheels are available in sizes up to 20 inches, and the suspension has been tuned to provide a smooth ride without sacrificing handling. Even on uneven terrain or during spirited driving on twisty roads, the Palisade Hybrid remains composed, absorbing bumps while keeping passengers comfortable. One of the standout elements of the 2026 Palisade Hybrid is its versatility. Whether you're navigating urban streets, cruising on highways, or exploring more rugged roads, this SUV feels capable and secure. The hybrid system reduces fuel consumption without compromising performance, and the luxurious interior ensures that every journey is comfortable. Its combination of size, style, and technology makes it a compelling choice for anyone seeking a family SUV that doesn't sacrifice premium features or efficiency. In conclusion, the 2026 Hyundai Palisade Hybrid strikes a perfect balance between power, luxury, and practicality. The classy blue pearl exterior turns heads without being flashy, while the interior provides comfort, technology, and quality materials that appeal to modern SUV buyers. The hybrid powertrain is smooth, responsive, and efficient, offering both environmental benefits and real-world usability. Add in Hyundai's reputation for reliability and value, and you have a full-size SUV that delivers on almost every front. For anyone in the market for a spacious, capable, and luxurious hybrid SUV in 2026, the Palisade Hybrid is unquestionably worth a close look.